Hi children, today we are going to learn about matching. It says that we have to match with the color. Here we have to join each picture to its matching color. Now you can see that on the left side you got some birds and on the right side you have these birds nest, right? And these birds nest are of different color. For example, this one is blue in color and this one is red in color. This is brown in color. This is yellow in color. This is pink in color. And this one is green in color. And on the left side, you got these cute birds, each having a different color. For example, this bird is red in color. This one is blue in color. This one is green in color. And this one is brown in color. Here we have a blue in color again. And this one is pink in color. Now, what we have to do, we have to match the birds and the bird's nest in which both have the same color. Let me give you an example first. You can see very clearly that this bird, which is red in color, is matched with this bird's nest that is also red in color. Now, both have the same color. That is why this bird is matched with this nest. Now we have to look for another bird and see what is its color, and then we have to find that same color's nest on the right side so that we can match this bird with that particular bird's nest. Now let's start with this. We can see that this is yellow in color. This is majorly yellow in color. Now we have to find the bird's nest that is yellow in color. Now let's start looking on the right side. Here we can see that this bird's nest is blue in color. So that means we cannot match this bird with this bird's nest, right? You don't have to consider these hats because these hats are majorly blue in color. You don't have to consider these hats of the bird's nest because these are yellow in color and they are not our main concern. We have to look at the color of the base of the bird's nest, right? So here you can see that this bird's nest is blue in color, but this bird is yellow in color. That means we cannot match this bird with this bird's nest. Now we have to move towards another bird's nest. Now this bird's nest is red in color. That is also not same as this color. So we won't consider this bird's nest as well. Keep moving down. Now this bird's nest is brown in color, which is also not yellow in color. So we won't consider this bird's nest as well. Now we have to consider this bird's nest. Why is that so? Because this bird's nest have a yellow color and this bird is also in yellow color. That means we can combine this yellow bird with this yellow nest. So we have to start from this bird and then we have to keep moving down till we reach this yellow nest. So we are done with our first bird. Now we have to move towards another bird and see what is the color of that bird, right? Now here you can see that this bird is green in color. That means we have to find out the green nest on the right side. So you can see that this nest is yellow in color. This nest is red in color. This nest is brown in color. So that means we won't consider all these three. Why? Because none of them is green in color. Now keep moving down. This nest is yellow in color. This nest is pink in color. But yes, this nest is green in color. That means we can combine this green bird with this green nest. So let's start from this point. Keep moving down and match it with the green nest. So we are done with this bird as well. Now let's see what is the color of the next bird. Now here you can see that this bird is brown in color, right? So that means we have to look for the brown nest on the right side. Let's start looking. Is this a brown color? No. This is a blue color. Is this a brown color? No. This is a red color. Is this a brown color? Yes, this is a brown color. That means we can combine this brown bird with this brown nest. So we have to start from this point and then we have to keep moving towards the brown nest till we match it. Congratulations, kiddos. We are done with more than half of the birds and we are left with only 2 birds. So let's start doing So let's start combining these birds with their particular nests as well. Now, this bird is blue in color. That means we have to look for the blue nest on the right side. So let's start looking at. Is this a blue in color? Yes, this is blue in color. That means we can combine this blue bird with this blue house or with this blue nest. So let's start doing it. So we would start from this blue bird and we would keep moving in the upward direction till we reach the blue nest. Keep moving. Congratulations, kiddos. We are done with this part as well and we are left with only one bird, that is pink in color. Now you have to find it out, the pink nest for me, and we would combine that pink bird with the pink nest. Is this a pink nest? No. Is this a pink nest? No. Is this a pink nest? Again, no. Is this a pink nest? No. This is yellow in color. Is this a pink nest? Yes, this is a pink nest. That means we can combine this pink bird with this pink nest. Congratulations, kiddos. We are done with our today's task, which is easy. So first of all, you have to look at the bird's color, which is on the left side. For example, this bird has a red color and we have to find out the red nest on the right side. And when we start looking at it, we find out that this is blue in color. So that means we cannot match this blue nest with the red bird. So we move towards the second nest and we realize that this is red in color. That means we can combine this blue bird with this blue nest. So this is how we completed our task and I hope that makes sense to you kiddos. Thank you so much.